Data store types: NFS, VMFS, and RDM. LANs or storage devices are storage volumes that are present to the ESXi host from a block storage system, whereas a data store is a partition on LAN which is formatted with VMware's native file system, which is VMFS. Data store types. These are the different data stores supported in vSphere 7: VMFS, Virtual Machine File System; NFS or Network File System; RDM, Raw Device Mapping; vSAN or Virtual SAN; VVol, Virtual Volumes. VMFS, Virtual Machine File System, is a clustered file system from VMware that provides storage virtualization. Currently, ESXi supports VMFS 5 and VMFS 6. VMFS 5 or 6 Datastore uses GUID partition table (GPT) to format the storage device. Block size is another term which is frequently used to related with VMFS Datastore. The block size on a VMFS Datastore defines a maximum file size and the amount of space a file occupies. So VMFS 5 and 6 Datastore support the block size of 1 megabyte. Given below are the features and key differences between VMFS version 5 and 6. We can see the key difference here is in this area: access for ESXi host version 6 and earlier. So VMFS 5 supports earlier versions of ESXi host, and whereas VMFS 6 doesn't support. And in case of supporting MBR storage device partitioning, VMFS 6 will not support it, but VMFS 5 will support it. Also, there are differences here in this area also. 512 storage devices and 4K storage devices. These devices support it. So we have seen the VMware native file system, VMFS, Virtual Machine File System. We have seen its versions 5 and 6, key features and its differences. So let's go to the NAS or NFS file system. NAS or Network Attached Storage is a device that allows users to access the files through a standard TCP/IP network. So ESXi 7 supports version 3 and version 4.1 to communicate with NAS or NFS servers. NFS is a type of protocol also which is used to connect to NAS. Similar protocols are includes SMB, which is used in Windows system, and AFP, Apple Filing Protocol, which is used in Apple platform. So NFS data stores can be used to store and manage virtual machines in the same way VMFS data stores are used. So here are the key difference between the NFS version 3 and 4.1. Both are supported in ESXi version 7. So we can see that the features: storage DRS, storage IO control, and site recovery manager, these features are supported only in version 3, which is not supported in version 4.1. RDM disk. RDM or raw device mapping is a mapping file that contains the metadata that resides in a VMFS data store. Actually, RDM acts as a proxy for a physical storage device or a LAN. Our advantage of RDM is that it allows the virtual machine to access the storage device directly. There are two kinds of RDM disk, physical and virtual. Let's check the key features of RDM physical compatibility mode. In physical compatibility mode, the VM kernel passes all SCSI commands to the target device, with one exception, that is the report LAN command, which is virtualized. So in this case, the VM kernel can isolate the LAN to the owning virtual machines. Physical mode is useful while running the SAN management agents or other SCSI target-based software in the virtual machine. Virtual machine snapshots are not available when then RDM used in physical compatibility mode, but it is available in virtual compatibility. RDM virtual mode specifies full virtualization of the mapper device. So in virtual mode, VM kernel sends only read and write to the mapper device. The mapper device appears to the guest OS exactly same as the virtual disk file in a VMFS volume. Thanks for watching this video.